Hello, I'm going to show how to make a main menu. Create a blueprint third-person project. I'm going to name mine Menu and press Create. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.23.0. Under Content, Third Person BP, right click, select Level, right click, select Level again, right click, under User Interface, select Widget Blueprint, and right click, and under User Interface, select Widget Blueprint again. Rename the files as shown here: L_MenuCredits, L_MenuMain, WB_MenuCredits, and WB_MenuMain. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Maps and Modes. Change Editor Startup Map to L_MenuMain, and change Game Default Map to L_MenuMain, and close this. Double click WB_MenuMain, drag in a text box, search for scroll, drag in a scroll box, drag in 3 buttons, drag in a text box and drop it on the scroll box, and do the same thing for the 3 buttons. Okay, for the text, name this Menu. For the text here, this is the EULA that I got from Unreal Engine on the internet. Name this Agree in the text box. This text box name Quit. And this text box name Credits. On the menu text box, size the content, check that. For size, put 48. On the text box for the scroll box, auto wrap text, check that. On the button for Agree, name it Agree. On the button for Quit, name it Quit, and on the button for Credits, name it Credits. Now I'm going to show how to program the blueprint for the graph. one thing you need to know to do the buttons, you select the button and then go to the graph and then press the event you want. I already created this event, so it goes to here. So you go back and select the button you want and then go back to the graph and then hit the one you want and it will go and create it. So that's how you create those. And then just program these blueprints like shown here. This is third-person example map. This is WB_MenuCredits. When you're done, compile and save, and close that. And double click L_menu_main. Go to Blueprints, open level blueprint. Need to program this blueprint. This is WB_menu_main. Make sure this is checked. When you're done, compile and save. Double click WB_MenuCredits. On this text box, size the content, check, text, enter credits. On font size, enter 48. This is a scroll box. This is a text box. This text is recommended from Unreal Engine for the credits. Auto wrap to text, check that. On this text box is inside the button. Enter text back, and on the button, name the button back. Go to Graph and program this blueprint. This is WB main menu. When you're done, compile and save. Double click maps, double click third person example map. Go to blueprints, open level blueprint. Need to program these two blueprints. This sets back to the mode for the game. This, when you press escape, will go to the L_menu main. When you're done, compile and save. Double click L_menu main. You need to use the standalone game mode because the escape key doesn't work correctly if you're using the viewport. Okay, this is the main menu. You can scroll and look at the agreement. You can go to the credits screen, and then you can go back. You can press agree to start the game, and then you can press escape to go back to the main menu and press quit, and it quits. So everything's working correctly.